With print on demand and Etsy, there are thousands of products that you can create with print on demand. You can create mugs, you can create apparel, you can create drinkware and decor. What if I told you that you only need one product to take you to your first 4 figures in a month, first 5-figure month, and even 6 figures in a year? In fact, that's what happened to me in my business, and that's how I scaled my business to multiple 6 figures, was with one product. In this video, I wanted to make a tutorial on a new product I found on Etsy that's making sellers thousands of dollars per month. Without further ado, we're just gonna hop straight into this video and into the series that I've actually been running for quite some time on this channel. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notification bells. And I've been making tutorials over one different product every single month to hopefully showcase new products that people may not have ever went into if not for these videos. And I very much appreciate everyone who has supported this channel and gotten us to, right now I'm at 70K subscribers. So I am just so elated and thankful and feeling blessed at this moment in time to have so many of you watching. So just thanks for everyone who supports our channel. We're gonna hop straight into the video. Now that I'm on my laptop, I am going to pull up that mystery product, which is tapestries, just to give you guys a feel for this market and what's selling, what types of designs are really doing well in tapestries. I'm going to search up just tapestry on Etsy. And when I search up, you'll see the little orange bee icon in my search, which is my Everbee Chrome extension. Just so you know, I will be using it in this video, and you can get that for free for the basic plan down below. So as I'm going down the list, there's tapestry, tapestry wall hanging, tapestry hoodie. It looks like it has some searches here, but if I just look at basic tapestry, Etsy, so I'm gonna go and click on product analytics and then search entire database. And when I'm scrolling down, there is a lot of macrame handmade tapestries that are really doing well in this market. So if you're a handmade seller and you can do macrame, this is a really great place to go. But outside of that, if you're print on demand, there are a lot of tapestries that are doing well in the few $1,000s a month area. The tapestries that are just inserting your custom wall art, those are doing really well. A lot of flower field landscape arts are doing well. And the forest listings are doing well. So as far as inspiration, this is giving me a lot of ideas on what's selling on Etsy right now and what's doing well. So I'm gonna pull up Kittl and I'm gonna start a new project. With Kittl, if we're looking into the tapestries and we want to do MWW, for example, I would start designing here. And when I'm looking at the sizes, I'm going to look up, there's 50 by 60, 60 by 50. So I personally really enjoy the landscape orientation. So for this video, I'm going to switch our unit in Kittl to inches. I am going to do a 60 by 50 piece, and I'm going to create from here. What's really nice about Kittl is they have their Kittl AI version 2 out. So we can create our own AI generated watercolor artwork through that. We can also use the graphics. So I'm gonna do a little bit of mix of both. For this, I think I'm first just gonna create, like, I might do 3 pine trees watercolor, and I'm just gonna give it that. So I could have put it in a landscape format, but since I'm going to use multiple graphics for this video, so I'm just making them the 1:1 aspect ratio. You can select between the 16:9 ratio, the 1:1, or the 9:16, completely up to you on what you would like. So I'm gonna put watercolor graphic without background. Wow, I am in love with those trees. Okay, so I'm very happy with what we have here. I am super happy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy and paste it, and I'm gonna use the AI background remover, and we're just gonna remove some background here. And what I might do a 4 pine tree one as well, just to like add in some more. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I actually really like this watercolor. Okay, now I'm kind of in between on changing my watercolor idea that I had before, but I think this is pretty nice just like as a background. Like, this is gonna look crazy for a second. Please stick with me for whoever's still watching. But we're gonna take this to the back row. Wow, this is so beautiful. I actually really, really love what's happening here. I know it looks crazy right now, but again, stick with me, people. I'm gonna take the contrast down just to kind of match what we have in the other trees. So I'm just taking saturation down just so we can match it all, but wow, I am really happy with this. And that's about it. That's about what I'm gonna do for this one. I am going to save this. We are going to change DPI to 300. So I'm going to download this as a SVG due to the file size. So just a pro tip, download as a SVG if the file size is way too large for a PNG. And then I'm going to select that 60 by 50 size, and I'm just checking both sizes. So all sizes it looks like it works well with. That's good to see. So now we have all of these. So if I were pushing this to my storefront, under pricing, I like to select all, I will edit price. And then when I'm looking at profit, if we're looking at seeing a nice profit for these tapestries, I would have the profit for the lowest one at least $5. But that's after fees. So when we're thinking about fees, it's generally, from my experience, it's generally a few dollars, $1 to a few dollars that knocks off. So for this, I would probably start at $7 a profit for the first one. And then the second two, I would do a profit of $10 at the very least for the other sizes that we're offering. So from there, I'm just going to publish it and push it to my shop. And then we are going to go over to Etsy. I am going to making this wall art. Okay, so now we're on my Etsy shop. So I'm gonna go to the tapestry, and what I'm going to do is I am actually going to do hanging wall tapestries because that was a big SEO keyword. I'm going to put forest, pine, trees, aesthetic, hanging wall tapestries. Also, quick fun fact, I said tapestries before this video. I actually had to record portions of this video because I was saying it wrong for so long. And I was like, I am not going to make anyone sit through that. So thank you for your patience with me. If I did accidentally say that during this video, that is why. I'm going to put bohemian wall art, woodsy. I am going to go to Etsy and pull some more inspiration for the tapestries that we want to go into because there's only so many keywords that I can think of right now. So I see living room, bedroom, wall decor, it looks like is trending really well on Etsy right now. I'm going to look up the keyword research in Everbee, and I'm just going to type in tapestry as well. I just said it. I just did it. So it looks like wall tapestry decor, decoration. I see mountaineering wall tapestry. I just did it again. Boho mountaineering. So I will add that. Nature I think would be really great here. So that is what I will add for those. I'm going to copy and paste some of the keywords into my tags here. So we will do that. The mountaineering I would have never used. So that's kind of nice. Hanging wall, I'll put bedroom, living room, tapestry, gift. Gift is always a good SEO term for Etsy. Decor, nature, forest, pine trees. I am going to look at my title again and see what else I missed. So bohemian, and I will add aesthetic. I hope I spelled aesthetic right. I don't know why I have such big problems writing aesthetic. Decorative, it looks like hangings. I will do wall hanging and then decoration. So that's pretty much it for our SEO. I'm going to publish changes from here, and then we are going to look at this together here on Etsy, our final product. That's it for our wall art and our tapestry tutorial. I hope that this video helped those of you who were looking to go into tapestries, and comment any questions you have down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more content like this. See you guys in the next video here.